In order to access the interior mechanisms of the rower for routine maintenance, diagnostic work, or repair work, you will need to remove many of the plastic covers. This video will show you how to access the interior parts of the equipment to make adjustments to the speed sensor as well as to tension your drive belt. This video may be useful to help remove the side shields for other repairs, although those repairs are not specifically addressed. To remove the top cover, move the seat and row strap out of the way and remove the top two cover screws. The top cover is snapped tightly into place. Carefully pry the top cover to remove it. With the top cover removed, you can now adjust the read speed sensor and verify the operation of the resistance motor and resistance bracket. If you need to access other parts or adjust the drive belt, you will need to remove several more plastic covers. Remove the strap cover by removing 3 strap cover screws. You will be able to slide the handle through the strap cover, so it can be set aside. Next, remove the screws in the left and right neck shield, then carefully unsnap these pieces from each other and set them aside. Remove the front cover by unscrewing 2 front cover screws, then gently pulling it away from the side shields. Carefully tip the rower onto its side or use a short screwdriver to remove the screw found on the underside of the rower. Remove the 2 screws on the bottom cover and gently pull it away from the side shields. While the rower is turned over, it is a good time to also remove the bottom screws from the left and right side shields. You can also remove the footrest bottom covers at this time. There are several more screws in the left and right side shields that will need to be removed. Some screws hold the shields to the frame while others hold the 2 shields together. Remove the screw up near the neck of the rower. From there, work your way down, removing the screws from the center of the shields and the screws in the front of the shields. Finally, remove the screws from behind the flywheel. With the screws removed, you can access the rest of the interior components of the rower. If the rower strap feels jerky, it may be that the drive belt needs to be adjusted. With the side shields removed, you can tighten the drive belt. First, loosen the adjustment screw that sits in the slot on the idler pulley bracket. Then, use a wrench to tighten the belt tension bolt just to the point where the belt no longer slips or feels jerky. Once adjusted, tighten the adjustment screw in the idler pulley bracket to keep it in place. To reassemble the side shields and plastic covers, reverse the steps in this video. Be careful not to pinch or damage the electrical wires in the neck of the rower.